Jai Hind, dear students. Today we are going to learn the preparation of final accounts in the non-profit organization. In the previous video, we have learned about the preparation of different statements, calculation of subscription amount to be credited in the income and expenditure account, also the amount to be shown for the consumption of stationery in the income and expenditure account debit side, salary amount to be shown on the income and expenditure account debit side. All that things we have learned in the previous video lesson. Today we are going to discuss about two important problems for the preparation of final account, and also what are the different questions asked in the previous board exam, previous 2 years board exam from this chapter. So don't forget to watch the video up to the end. Then you will get how the questions are appearing for the board exam. So first of all, we have to solve one problem. You have to note the question as well as the additional information. So in the income and expenditure account, lot of items are there. In the receipt side, we have to consider the subscription for income and expenditure account, donation, interest on bank, 7% is the interest amount is given. It is an income, and the charity show proceedings also an income for that organization. All that item we have to consider for the income and expenditure account preparation. And in the payment side, we have to consider the medicine, honorarium for the doctor, salary, petty expenses, charity show expenses. No need to consider the payment made for equipment because that is the amount for that shows the amount of purchase of equipment. And also some additional informations are there like subscription due means outstanding amount opening and closing is there, closing will be added, opening will be deducted. Subscription received in advance is there, opening amount 64 will be added, closing amount 100 will be deducted. Stock of medicine is used to find out what is the consumption of stock. Opening value is there, we will add the purchase of medicine from the item, medicine purchase, that amount will be taken and it will be added with the opening amount, and also we will deduct the closing amount, then we will get the value of medicine consumed during the year. Estimated value of equipment is there to find out the depreciation. We have to use some equations to find out the depreciation. We will learn. And building opening value is 40,000 and the closing value is 38,000. So from that itself you can find out there is a difference of 2,000. We have to treat that 2,000 as depreciation. That are the things from additional information. Please look at the income and expenditure account, how we have transferred and adjusted all these items into income and expenditure account. So every time please note the question, then you please move to the solution. First of all, you have to try the question. If you are not getting, please watch the video and solve. My dear students, please look at the solution. Here, the items are recorded as per my instruction. Please remember that medicine consumed is there. Along with the medicine consumed, we have to calculate what is the actual consumption of the medicine. So what are the steps we have to remember? Opening stock of the medicine is there 8,810 plus purchases 30,590 less closing stock 9,740. We will get the amount 29,660 as the actual medicine consumed during the year. And also we are noting all other items like daughter's honorarium, salary, petty expenses, expenses of charity show, all that things we have noted. So 750, that is the amount for petty expense. Charity show expense is there, and depreciation we have to calculate. Building 40,000 in the previous year, current year 38,000. So 40,000 minus 38,000, we will get 12,000. And depreciation of equipment in the receipt and payment account, equipment is 15,000. That shows the additional equipment purchased during the year 15,000. And the opening value of equipment is 21,200. So to find out the amount of depreciation, 21,200 opening value of the equipment or asset plus purchased during the year 15,000, opening value plus purchased during the year 15,000 minus the closing value 31,600. Then we will get the amount of depreciation 4,600. 4,600. So please remember, and note the equation. We are getting the value of depreciation of equipment like this: opening value of equipment plus purchased during the year minus closing value of equipment. And in the income side, we are noting the subscription amount plus outstanding at the end of the year plus received in advance at the beginning, less deducting the items outstanding at the beginning and the advance received in advance at the end. And we are taking from receipt and payment account, receipt side the donation, interest on bank fixed deposit 7,000, charity shop receipts 10,000 for. So please remember how to prepare the income and expenditure account. And we are calculating the total 79,950 in the income side, and there is a shortage in the expenditure side. That means we are getting the surplus. We are getting the surplus from the income and expenditure account. Please remember that. And remember, these are the ways we have to find out the value of depreciation. Opening balance of the asset plus purchase of asset during the year less the closing balance of asset. And remember, in the receipt and payment account, there is an interest of bank deposit. But the bank deposit amount is not given. So we have to find out the bank deposit amount by using this equation. Percentage is there, but the interest is given 7,000. So 7,000 divided by the percentage into 100, we will get the amount of total amount of deposit. So 1 lakh as a bank deposit is there. And remember, we prepared the income and expenditure account. Next, we have to prepare the opening balance sheet. Opening balance sheet is prepared only for the purpose to calculate what is the amount of capital fund in the beginning of the year. Normally, there will be no amount of capital fund in the question. So we have to use the information of the first year in the question to find out what is the capital fund. So all of you please use the cash in hand opening balance in the receipt and payment side. That is noted here, 7,130, isn't it? Just look at here. This amount is taken, 7,130 is taken for the calculation of the opening balance sheet. So opening balance noted. The outstanding subscription of the beginning 240 is there. Received in advance of the subscription received in advance opening value 64 is there. And stock of medicine opening value is there in the additional information. Bank deposited we have calculated 1 lakh. For that we have actually the amount is not there in the question 1 lakh, but we have to find out that type of missing item. And remember the calculation what we have used for finding out the amount of bank deposit. Equipment amount opening value, building amount opening value. We are finding the total of this side, and also we are finding the total, and only one item is there in the liability side 64, and we are deducting that 64 from the total. We will get the amount of balance. This is the balancing figure. Capital fund for the opening year, that will be 1,77,360. So this balance sheet, opening balance sheet is prepared to find out what is the amount of capital fund. That is very much useful for the preparation of last year balance sheet. So remember that, and we have to prepare the last balance sheet. And cash in hand, we are taking the closing value in the receipt and payment account. Also, we are taking the subscription outstanding at the end of the year amount. Subscription receipt in advance at the end of the year, we are taking in the liability side. Bank deposit, there is no change, that also taken from opening balance sheet. Equipment, what is happening for equipment? Equipment opening value is there in the opening balance sheet, that is 21,200. Add what we are purchased, how we are getting this value? It is available there in the receipt and payment account payment side. And depreciation, it is noted in the income and expenditure account debit side. That amount is deducted. Then we will get the final amount of equipment at the end of that financial year, 31st March 2007. Building, like the same, closing value directly given the additional information, even though we have to calculate the value. Opening value 40,000 less depreciation 2,000, we will get 38,000. And here it is capital fund, what we have noted from the opening balance sheet. We just now prepared, and we are adding the surplus in income and expenditure account. So we will get 1,83,295. So both the sides are tallied when we find out the total 1,83,395. My dear students, in this way we have to calculate and the surplus as well as to prepare the final balance sheet. At that time, if the capital fund amount is not there, we have to find out the capital fund by preparing an opening balance sheet. I hope it is very clear for you. We are moving to the next problem. That will give you more idea regarding the preparation of final accounts of non-profit organization. Here also a lot of items are there in the receipt side and payment side. Receipt side, cash in hand we will take into the opening balance sheet. Subscription amount received from previous year is 100, current year 2,400, received in advance for the next year, future 2008, that is 200. So total they received 2,700. And all the furniture they sold 140. Actual value of that furniture is 200, but they sold for 140. That means it is sold on loss. So it is a hidden aspect. We have to take that as rupees 60 as loss on income and expenditure account, expenditure side. Tournament receipts we will take in the income and expenditure account. Sports fund, it is a capital receipt. Donation for sports also coming in the receipt, but we are taking only few items from the receipt side. Please remember that. Salary for the 11 month is there. So you have to remember only 11 month they are paid. That means the firm have to pay. The firm have to pay what? 1 month extra salary. It is still outstanding. So find out the per month salary. It will be 1,100 divided by 11. So actually every month they are paying 100 as salary. Now this year they paid only for 11 months, but we have to pay for 12 months at the time of preparation of financial statements. So the additional salary the firm have to pay, outstanding salary, that is 100, we have to be added. Tournament expense will be taken in the income and expenditure account. Furniture, investment, all these things shows the additional purchase of investment and furniture. Stationery we will take into the income and expenditure account. Sports expense we will take. Miscellaneous expense we will take. Rent paid up to February 2009. Actually, please look at the financial year. It is for the 2007 and 8. 7 and 8. But they paid for the month February. Additional 2 months they paid extra. So we have to deduct it. The prepaid expense we have to deduct it. Cash in hand, the closing value will be taken in the final balance sheet. Look at the additional information. The club include 300 members and they will get subscription of rupees 10. So what we have to get 3,000 of the subscription. But what we received in the year, it is 2,400. We have to receive the full amount, isn't it? So still there is 300 outstanding. and 70 are still outstanding for the previous year. And in 2006, 10 years had paid their subscription for 2007 in advance. Advance payment of subscription. So please remember how we have to adjust all these items in advance. All the items we have to remember as per the format. Outstanding at the end of the year will be added. Outstanding at the beginning will be deducted. Received in advance at the end of the year will be deducted, and received in advance at the beginning will be added. Stock of stationery 2006 it is 100, 2007 it is 140. Closing and opening year values there. On 1st January 2007, the club owned the land and building value 20,000 and furniture 1,300. The opening value of land and building and furniture it is given for the preparation of opening balance sheet. And interest accrued on investment is 6% for 3 months. Remember, there is an amount of investment. What we have to do? Please look at the solution. There we are learning the preparation of income and expenditure account. So already I told 200 worth asset furniture is sold for 140. So loss on sale of furniture, that is 60,000. And sports expense are noted in the receipt and payment side. We have taken 2,000. Salary, already I told they paid only for 11 months. Still 1 month is outstanding. So 11,100 divided by 11, we will get per month salary rupees 100. That we are adding. So total amount of salary will be 1,200. Tournament expense 1,600. Stationery what we have to do? Opening stationery is 100. Purchased during the year 1,200. It is available in the payment side of receipt and payment account. And the amount of closing stock is 140. So we will get the consumption of stationery rupees 1,160. Miscellaneous expense we have taken. Rent 1,400 they paid, but they paid 2 months advance. So we are finding the additional amount paid in advance, that is prepaid rent. It will be deducted. We will get 1,200. Subscription, please look at this. 2006. There is some amount spending, and subscription received during the year 2,700 less outstanding at the beginning 100 less received in advance at the end 200, add advance at the beginning 100, and also outstanding at the end of the year there will be 500. Please find the values from the question. 3,000 is the total amount of subscription received during the year. 2 non-receipts we have taken. Interest accrued we have to find out. Interest accrued, what we have to find out using the percentage. By deficit, here this time we are getting loss. So deficit 2,405. Please remember that. Only that deficit amount will be deducted from capital. So opening balance sheet is prepared. Opening balance sheet is prepared to find out the amount of capital fund. So cash in hand opening value we have taken. Subscription outstanding at the end of the year, at the beginning of the year, outstanding out at the beginning of the year taken. Advance subscription beginning year opening value taken 100. Stock of stationery opening value 100 taken. Furniture 1,300 and land and building also 20,000. And remember remaining items, the total here is land and building. As per the question on item is there. Yes, land and building. That item we have to note in that item, in that column. So here it will come land and building 20,000, and remember the total of that asset side is 26,070. From that we have to deduct 100. Then we will get the opening capital fund amount 25,970. After that, we have to prepare the final balance sheet. Cash in hand, the closing value we have taken. Prepaid rent is there in the additional information, 200 taken. Subscription outstanding at the end of the year. This year subscription plus the previous year subscription total outstanding 570. Interest accrued is there 15. That is on investment for 3 months. And stock of stationery 140. Investment amount 1000. Furniture we have to find out the value. Opening value 1300. Purchased furniture from the payment side 400, and also from the receipt side there is a sale of furniture for rupees 200. Land and building there is no change 20,000. Subscription received in advance at the end of the year 200. Salary outstanding for that year 100. And also we are taking the capital fund from the previous opening balance sheet 25,970 less deficit 2,405. We will get 23,565. So that balance sheet is tallied. Remember, this is the way of preparing the balance sheet and also the final account of the non-profit organization. The opening balance sheet is prepared to find out the capital fund. Capital fund means the capital of that non-profit organization. My dear students, next I would like to give the details regarding what is the previous 2 years question for 6 marks from the board exam. Please go through the remaining video. Don't forget to watch up to the end. And here the first problem is from the 2018-19 board exam. There we have only one small question. From that we have to prepare only income and expenditure account. Remember, in the receipt side there is interest on investment, donation is there, subscription amount is there, rent received is there, sale of old newspaper is there, which are we will take into the income side of income and expenditure account. And in the payment side, furniture we will never take in the income and expenditure account, that will taken only in the balance sheet. Salary we will take, miscellaneous expense we will take, telephone charges we will take, fax machine we will never take, that amount is related to purchase of fax machine. 6% investment is there, the investment is purchased on 1/8/2017. 1 lakh. We have to consider it for calculating the interest. If there is any accrued interest, it will be added. Printing and stationery we will take for the income and expenditure account preparation. Balance carried down, it is the cash at the end of the year. And also some additional information is there. Subscription received include 15,000 for 2018-19. What we have to do, please remember, the amount of subscription outstanding on 31st March 2018 were 20,000 outstanding at the end of the year. Salary unpaid salary 8,000 is there. Rent receivable is there. What? That so salary is outstanding and the rent receivable means we have to get. So that amount also we have to adjust. Opening stock of printing and stationery is there 12,000. Closing stock also there 15,000 to find out the amount of consumption of stock. Please look at the solution. Salary outstanding amount will be added. Opening amount is 64,500 but paid during the year. Plus outstanding, still we have to pay 8,000. So we will get the 72,500. Miscellaneous expense directly noted from question. Telephone charges also we have noted from the question. Printing and stationery, opening stock 12,000 plus purchased during the year 19,000 less closing stock 15,000. Then we will get what is the amount of printing and stationery consumed during the year 16,000. And the surplus, that is the difference. Before that, subscription received in advance 15,000, it will be deducted at the end of the year. And outstanding subscription at the end of the year 20,000 will be added. we will get 3,05,000 as the subscription for that particular year. And the interest on investment 2,400 is there in the previous receipt and payment account. Actually, the investment interest is 4,000. So we have to find out the accrued interest. Accrued interest means the remaining interest have to be collected by the organization 1,600. Please calculate the 6% of interest on investment as per the period, and that will be 4,000. Already they received 2,400, but still to receive 1,600. Donation amount we have taken. Rent received 70,000, but something we have to receive 2,000. So 72,000 is the total amount we have to receive during the year. And the sale of old newspaper amount 600. Find the total 3,98,600. We will get the amount of surplus 2,46,100. So this is the question they asked only for the preparation of income and expenditure account. They asked in the first time when they introduced the CPSC introduced the chapter non-profit organization and class 12. Second year also, in the next year also, they asked only one question for the preparation of income and expenditure account. Only to prepare that income and expenditure account from this data. Subscription here also received for the previous year, received for the current year, received for the next year is there. Sale of old furniture is there, book value 800, but it is sold for 500. So 300 is the loss. Donation for price of 43,000 is there. Interest on investment, here also we have to find out the accrued interest. Salaries and expense, printing and stationery, that items we will take into the preparation of income and expenditure account. It will be shown on the expenditure side. Furniture, it is an asset, so capital payment, capital expenditure. 9% investment is there. We have to find out the accrued interest. And the balance carried down, it is a closing value of cash. And some other additional information is there. The same 400 members are there in the club. They are paying 150 as the subscription amount. So what actually we have received during the year? 400 into 150. And we have to find out whether there is any outstanding or received in advance amount. Salary paid include 3,150 for the year 2017-18. And outstanding salary for the year end at the end of the year. That one is the previous year. Next for 2018-17, that is for the next year. Outstanding at the end of the year. And 9% investment were made on 30th November 2018. Remember that period is given for the calculation of interest. The club had a similar investment of 8,000 at the beginning of the year also. So remember, we have to calculate the interest separately. And also they are giving the instruction for depreciating furniture at the rate of 10% per annum. No depreciation is charged on the furniture sold. No depreciation for the furniture sold. Only for the remaining amount we have to find out the depreciation. So my dear students, please look at the solution. A small problem. Salary, we have taken the paid amount plus outstanding at the end of the year less outstanding at the beginning of the year. Printing and stationery we have noted. Depreciation amount on furniture we have calculated. And loss on sale of all the furniture 300 is also noted. Subscription amount, please remember that what we have to receive during the year. Interest on investment also we have to calculate separately for the different types of investment. And the amount, the total amount of the debit side is 66,150 less what we are getting the total 60,008.10. That will be deducted. At that time we will get the amount 5,340. That is deficit. So my dear students, in this way we have to prepare the final account. This is the problem they asked for the last year. I hope it is very clear for you. Also, only few problems are there they had taken. One question is for the calculation of subscription amount for 3 mark. Normally, they are asking that type of question in the 3 mark area. And one objective type question is there. Please go through the previous year question to know more about the questions asked from the chapter non-profit organization. So this chapter is finished. In this chapter, we have learned a lot of things related to the preparation of final accounts of non-profit organization, not-for-profit organization. Hope it is very clear for you. Thank you for your support. Thank you so much.